Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're finally talking about my kitchen makeover. Our general idea was to go for an industrial style, to follow all the style of the house, but before getting into the video, let me show you what we're dealing with. The old kitchen had absolutely no storage at all, not even an oven or a stove. All the furniture was inherited by some aunts and uncles. Some of them was even broken. Everything was mixed and matched, but not in a cool way. In few words, a tragic situation. I had to wait 5 long years for this moment, but you know what I think? I really prefer to wait, not buying a single piece till I have the money to do the things of my dreams. First thing first, if you are redoing your kitchen as well, the first thing that I suggest you to do is to go to the IKEA kitchen planner. It's for free and you can actually have an idea of how many pieces you can fit in your kitchen and also get an idea of the layout. Trying a 3D version of our kitchen in the IKEA site. After a small research, we decided to go for the brand SCAVOLINI. If you are Italian, I'm totally sure that you already know it because the quality is on top, and I can't say enough words on how helpful they were in the process of trying to get the layout of the kitchen and how skilled they were in the mounting part. We got at home some samples about the doors, about the handles, about the countertop, about the internal cabinet, so that we could actually see if everything was working together well in the space. And here I can show you the final layout that we ended up with the team of SCAVOLINI. In few words, is an L-shaped kitchen with wooden tones on the lower part and gray tones on the upper part. Now it was the time to remove the old kitchen. I was waiting for this moment for 5 long years. Don't forget it. I think you can see it in my excitement. And our old kitchen is gonna go in the room downstairs. And if you haven't seen the video of the studio makeover where the old kitchen ended up, you can check the link here up. Because of the no kitchen situation, we had a sort of camping station outside the house to eat our meals for a couple of days. Our outdoor kitchen. And now, with a blank canvas, is the time to show you the mood board for the industrial kitchen. A lot of bricks, of gray tones, of coppery color, of concrete, of industrial mirror. We will start painting. We decided to paint all the room, even if we knew that in one wall we wanted to apply tiles, but behind the old kitchen it was so gross that we thought that a little bit of paint could sanitize it. And for the other 3 walls, we decided to go for a black color to give this kind of cozy cave kitchen effect. Then it was finally the time for the SCAVOLINI team to bring us our new kitchen and assemble it. I really couldn't believe that this was my own new kitchen. After 3 days, we finally have the oven, the stove. Finally, we can cook. And we actually have the chairs and the tables, and I really didn't want to throw them away. So we spread out the news that we were changing our kitchen, and a friend of ours wants it, so it's gonna get a new home. Bye bye! Since we didn't have a table to eat, we really had to speed up the process to find a new table. And thank God we found the perfect one, in the perfect style and the perfect color. Today they called us and the table is ready. Another step forward. We just got the tiles for the kitchen and I think that they work. Ooh, look! It's a little bit dark outside, but I think you can see it. After tiling the wall, I was in a hunt for nice chairs that could tie with the bench, and I had a great idea. In this moment, we only have... I was cleaning and I had this idea, so you have to deal with my forks. We only have the bench, and I was thinking to use all different chairs. If I can mix and match something in like wood tones. I did a really raw Photoshop, ugly, but just to have the idea. I found some really nice stools from IKEA and two nice chairs from another shop that is called Practiker here in Greece. Thank God they are made of the same wood. The stools just arrived in pieces and they smell like IKEA, you know what I mean? These are the two chairs. I really like them. They are optimal quality. The only thing is this white finish. I don't know if I love it. My husband says that it feels that you poured flowers upon them, but I think that they will go with the vibe. Let's see now the rug adventures that I had. I was debating if I wanted a rug or not in the kitchen because it is an area that is getting dirty really quickly. But because we don't have a dining room, maybe I wanted to do it a little bit cuter, let's say. I will go for an external rug. I imagine that external rugs are supposed to get much more dirty than internal rugs, so easier to clean. But now I'm gonna show you my dilemma. The question is, small rug, so only dining area, or bigger rug? I always go for bigger rugs, but here is really close to the cabinet, so I don't know if maybe can get dirtier easier. And something else, the small rug arrives exactly here at the wall, and the bigger rug is a little bit much more extended. I can't believe what happened with the rug. I'm dealing with it for 2 months. The first rug was never available. I tried to sort out the second one that I liked, and when I checked out at IKEA, it wasn't possible to ship it. And then I scrolled in my screenshots that I did many years ago when I was thinking maybe when I will have a kitchen, this can be really nice rugs, and I found the perfect one with the perfect dimension, 50% discount, 69 euros. Let's unroll the magical rug. Nice! As you can see, it is the perfect dimension for the kitchen. I really wanted to introduce a mirror to the space to light up a little bit the dark area, and of course I went for the viral TikTok industrial mirror. Thanks to the Sorry Girls for the tutorial. I also got some mirrors. You will see what I'm gonna do with them. And I got also this coppery color. I think that I have to get 3 of those, hopefully. 61.80. After a lot of math, it ended up being the perfect dimension. Why am I cutting during the night? First of all, because it's 40 degrees during the day. And second of all, because if I did my measurement wrong, I have to buy another of these tomorrow. I want to use wisely my time. Ta-da-da-da-da! Am I the worst YouTuber that is doing things during the night? Yes. But when you live in Greece, you have to survive. Let's go! Ooh, I really think that it will really be nice. I like this color because you still can see the wood underneath. I got the wood! Let's place all the pieces. Amazing! Hello! I am gonna glue it down really professionally. I will leave it resting with some weight. I filled all the gaps with wood putty. I will sand it down and I'm gonna spray paint again everything. This can be a nice way to hang the mirror. This will be in the wall and this will hold the mirror in place. And finally also the mirror was ready. And now up to another project for this kitchen, metallic corners to enhance the industrial vibe of the kitchen and to hide the chipping of the plaster. Again at the hardware store. This is the entrance of the kitchen and we wanna make a sort of arch of kind of coppery color, also because we have this problem. Evie, you're sitting on the right thing. Do I cut you together with the frame here? I measure, it is still here, and now I'm gonna draw a 45 angles, and because I think I have good eye, I'm gonna freehand it. Maybe I'm gonna regret it later, maybe yes. Dun, 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 dun. Perfect measurement. I measured so perfectly that it actually can stay even without any glue. I realized that I never explained that these are galvanized corners for dry wood, and my plan is to sand them down to scratch it a little bit, use a primer, and then spray paint in a copper color. I am using silicone to stuck it in the wall. What a difference! We had another problem in our kitchen. We had an ugly electrical cabinet that I really wanted to disguise. I got also a frame. What we're gonna do is removing the door, and then we're gonna put a giant frame that is pivoting. So this will be the new door. I got my painting and I got these two from a mirror from IKEA. I would like to place it here, drill this in the wall so that this can become like a door. And we spray painted also the poster. I'm gonna show you how it's working. Ta-da! And another feature that we put is a magnet. This is a piece of iron, let's say, I don't know what it is, so clock, it stays closed. This poster means so much to me. It is the only thing that we left to the prior state of the house. It is actually how I found the house when I met my husband, and fat and happy, can it be more perfect for a kitchen? I quickly became a spray painting freak in this makeover, so I decided to change also all the colors of the plugs. The appliances are white, not the vibe for our kitchen, so I'm gonna sand it down a little bit. I am gonna prime and I am gonna paint them in black. Because these appliances are really high used, I put a coat of varnish, acrylic varnish, so it will be more protected. I mean, you can clearly see that the black is more sleek than this white one. And I'm doing exactly the same for coppery. Now let's get into the odyssey of the chandelier. I'm currently looking at 359 pages of chandeliers. I love none. What I want is a chandelier from the top, but it shouldn't be just one light, it has to be more than one. and maybe not black because I already have a lot of black, or wooden color or a coppery color with just a tint of black. I suddenly turned to my shelves, and what I see there, I have 5 lanterns from my wedding, and I don't know why, but I really think that they go with the vibe. Don't ask me how, but I will try to let them work. First thing to do is ripping this apart.
Done, 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 done.
I'm gonna sand down these pieces, and I can spray paint everything copper. We're trying to make a support so that from here will be the lamp. Everything is coppery. Here we use the leftover parts of the other DIY chandelier that we did in our living room. It's exactly the same style that we used for this chandelier. The link is here up. Time to assemble all the pieces. Whoa, it's working! And it's beautiful. Okay, the time has come. After all of these small DIYs, are you ready to see how the room looks like now? But before, let's just concentrate and remember how the room was before. And now, are you ready to be hit by the industriality of the kitchen? Let's go! That's it also for this video. Maybe it was one of the most exciting makeovers for me. Now I can cook. If you liked it as well, please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to the Sara Nena channel. I really hope to see you soon. Bye bye!